Today you learn how to find the best Swiss banking lawyer. You know, legal problems are coming unexpected, without alert. In most of the cases, immediate action is required. You are in a difficult situation because you have not a lot of time to make an accurate research. To find an expert in a short time can be stressful and risky. If you do not have friends referring you to a good Swiss banking lawyer, or if you don't want to involve friends with your banking problem in Switzerland, you have to make your research online, in the internet. Hi, here is Enzo Caputo with SwissBankingLawyers.com. Search for a specialized lawyer in the internet. You need a full-time banking lawyer, and not a part-time lawyer or a lawyer offering everything. You know, banking matters are changing all the time. A good lawyer cannot be expert in all areas of law. Verify if your lawyer has acquired professional experience in a Swiss bank. He must know the banking business from the inside perspective of the bank. Check if he worked at least 5 years in the legal and compliance department inside a Swiss bank. Ask him what type of cases he managed when he worked in the bank and for the bank. It's important that your lawyer is familiar with the tricks and pitfalls common in the Swiss private banking industry. Many so-called banking lawyers never worked in a bank. As a consequence of the bilateral agreement signed by Switzerland with the European Union, there are many lawyers without Swiss education. Make sure that your lawyer has a Swiss education, with a Swiss university degree and the Swiss bar exam and a career made with a Swiss bank. You know, sometimes Swiss banks are not playing fair with their clients. In this case, you need a lawyer with insider knowledge. He must be familiar with the way of thinking of Swiss bankers. He must know the mentality of Swiss bankers. You know, Swiss bankers are not normal human beings. They are special. Your lawyer has to be multilingual, multicultural, and international. Let me give you an example. If a Zurich-based lawyer is negotiating a settlement with a bank in Geneva, it is a clear advantage for you as a client if your lawyer can understand the confidential exchange of opinions between the Geneva bankers in French language. Be careful with big law firms. Ask which lawyer is managing your case from A to Z. You know, in big law firms, the senior lawyer will first listen to your problem, but after he will disappear. After the first big retainer payment, he will never pick up the phone. Your case will be passed over to a junior lawyer. A junior lawyer will note many billable hours to achieve a better bonus at the end of the year. That's why I strongly recommend engaging a boutique banking law firm. You have to be sure that your banking lawyer is your partner handling your case from A to Z. His professional experience can have a direct impact on the end result in your case. You know, let me give you a story. A celebrity from Germany, being a private banking client of a Swiss bank, told me many years ago when I was a young lawyer, I never take advice of a lawyer seriously unless he has white hairs. He is right. If you want to remain rich, find the right banking lawyer with at least 10 years of accumulated professional experience. At least 5 years should have been collected inside the Swiss banks. Be rich and remain rich. Thank you for your time. Have a wonderful day. If you have a question, don't hesitate to call me. I will give you advice how to find the right lawyer in your case. Thank you. Have a wonderful